Hi everyone, I'm here with an unboxing from PandaHall Selected. I was contacted by email by Tammy, and she said she saw my videos and that she thought that their products might be good for me as a crafter and would I review them. And I was like, oh my goodness, yes, I love reviewing crafty projects. I don't get invited very often to do that. I think the last one I did, the very first one I did was on a glue gun that I got from Amazon that I was contacted by with someone. I think that was last year. But anyway, I was allowed to pick out 40 things and $40 in items that included shipping, and I needed to do an unboxing video and do 3 videos showing how I use their products. So Tammy, first off, thank you so much for inviting me. I was so excited to get my products in the mail, and I'm gonna share with you right now the products that I chose, and I will put links to all of these products down below so you can go over and check them out or check out their website. I will put a link to that down below as well, and there is a code for 10% off of your order if you use carolinabugg, 2 G's, all one word, and when you go to checkout you get 10% off. So I chose, for starters, these enamel pendants, and they're Halloween, and the Sunny Clues BB Crafts. That's cute. But anyway, they must all share the same products. This is PandaHall Selected. But anyway, I ordered these, and I'll show you. Everything was packaged really awesome too, guys. They had it all in a padded envelope. It was all wrapped up and taped up really nice. Nothing was broken. I just love how they shipped everything to you. But anyway, these are, I picked out, put them on paper so you can see them better. You get 2 of each, and these are 20 different ones, so you get 2 of each color. So you get like 40 of these. And I thought these would be so cute to use on some Halloween projects and some dangles. So I love those. And they come in a little container like these, and these are the extras. I picked out one of each color so I can show you what they look like. So they come like this, and they're wrapped in plastic. So got those. And I will put a link, like I said, down below to everything that I got. And then I got these, and these are the transparent glass globes, and some are frosted acrylic pendants as well. It's supposed to be 48 pieces. I thought these would be so cute to use, not just in Halloween, but these are you can use this for any time. These are not really specifically Halloween. So look at those. Aren't they awesome? These are the frosted ones right there. And you get 48 different ones. I don't have any of these. I think I might have picked up some from Amazon a long time ago, but I don't have any like these. They got the little sequins. This one here looks like it's got like sprinkles. So pretty, guys. And this one looks like it has like some kind of flower or something. And then you got the sequins in here, the stars, the black stars. Here's some kind of dried plant as well. So I got a big container of these, and this was packed with foam. Everything was packaged very well, and then it was also taped up really nice as well. But I didn't want to take time to have to go through all that tape and having to use my scissors or a knife, so I took everything out of the packaging already, and it came in a padded envelope. So like I said, nothing was broken. I love the way they shipped everything to you. The next thing I picked up was these flat back resin bows. They're so beautiful in the colors. Love these. And they're flat on the back, so it'd be perfect for your paper crafting. I love all the colors they sent. You're supposed to get 48 of these. Love that purple. Purple's my favorite color. This pink's really purple, beautiful too. This one here kind of reminds me of Mickey Mouse. Not Mickey Mouse, but Minnie Mouse. Those I can't wait to use on some tags or some memory decks, cards or something. Aren't they beautiful? Gorgeous. And they're made out of resin. They got a good little, they're not real heavy, but They're not really light and cheap either. Beautiful. Can't wait to use those. Well, you get 54 in here. According to my papers, you get 54 of these. That's a lot. That's a lot of resin bows. And then the last thing that I picked up was these cutting dies. And you really can't make out what they are, but they are for Halloween. They're Halloween bow dies. And I just love making bows, so I can't wait to use those. I may also add one of these dangles onto the bottom. So I will be back to share with you in 3 different videos what I do with these products that I picked out. Thank you so much for watching. We'll put a link to PandaHall Selected's channel down below. You will be amazed at all the crafty items that they have on their website. It's way more than I could ever look at in a week, probably. But I went through and just did like a search for some Halloween things and some charms and dangles and then some bows, and this popped up and I can't wait to use these. So I will put a link to the website down below. Go check them out. You will love them. Use my code for 10% off, carolinabugg with 2 G's. And I will put a link to everything that I picked out, but you can also go over there and just do a search. They have tons of things, beads galore. So, but this is what I picked out. I will be back with 3 videos. Thank you so much, Tammy, for inviting me to review your products. I'm excited to do it. I'll be back with more videos. Take care, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.